Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for my Monopoly Go game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. And for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on Monopoly Go to load up. And then, guys, we will have to enter our Monopoly Go user ID or our username. So, guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So, open your Monopoly Go, go to three-dot menu up there, go to settings, and just copy your user ID by clicking there. And let's close our game. So let's get back to our tool. Just paste it and click continue. It's pretty simple. Just wait for this searching, and guys, you should get user found. So there we go. Now we will select our desired amount of our dice rolls and money. I will select currently the maximum, it's almost 1 million, and click continue. So guys, third step, load up and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see now. So there we go, guys. API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we get. So nice, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Dice rolls and money are on the way. I'm so excited because we got this, guys, and now we will open our Monopoly Go once again and we will test it. Is it actually working? So let me wait for this loading screen, guys, and we will see. Is it actually working or it's just another myth? Okay, so I will click on this and let's see. Look at this, guys. We're actually receiving our dice rolls and our money. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Appsnake.com was the only working website that we actually received these resources from. Guys, that's pretty much for this tutorial. I'm so excited. I'm going to play Monopoly Go now whole day until waste all those money and dice rolls. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.